Hi, good morning, friends. Today we will bring some review of the earlier posted shares. That is, we had actually given some good company names that are basically multi-baggers and would take you to higher heights of the share market. I had actually promised you that, but it is actually some of them actually did very well. That is while we are computing what is the minimum and what is the maximum, then we can see that it is almost giving you 5 times as high as your original investment. I mean, current the returns is actually 4 times. 400% returns have been given. The maximum returns is around 400%. And mostly, I mean, when we get the maximum and minimum, there is no loss there. But when we actually, that is when we are actually investing wisely, that is, then when the market is down, we invest, and a market is almost reaching the peak, when then we sell it back. So this type of logic, if you are applying, every time it will be positive, otherwise it will be negative. I mean, there is a chance that it may become negative, because as you can see that that is, we are actually investing at the start of the year and end of the year. If you are calculating, you will not get that much benefits. You can see that we will actually go through whatever the shares that we had listed earlier in the blog. Okay, so it was actually, we had given it alphabetically. So you can see here, it is Ashoka Buildcon, Bank of Maharashtra, Biocon, Campus Activewear, Dalmia Bharat, Imami, HDFC Bank, Hindustan Unilever, Hindustan Zinc, IDFC First Bank, Infosys, ITC, L&T Finance Holdings, Marico, NLC India, PV Fintech, PSP Project, Rail Vikas Nigam, RVNGNL. That is one of the best stocks. Rational is actually a privately held stock, so it didn't actually come up for listing. Okay, so Reliance Industries, you can take it out, and you can you take put in SBI. SBI is good, and even now the Reliance Industries, Sri Renuka Sugar, South Indian Bank, Steel Authority of India, Swislon Energy, Tata Consultancy, Tata Motors, Tinna Rubber and Infrastructure, Titigar Wagons. Again, Titigar Wagons is one of the best here. Vodafone Idea, Wipro, S Bank. S Bank actually, as you all know, didn't do well. Then also, if you invested wisely, you will actually get benefits. Okay. So these are the things that we had listed. I didn't change anything here. If you want, you can add, take out S Bank, and what is that? Rational. Okay, S Bank and Rational you can take out and add SBI, so that it will be actually 30. Okay, not 31. I mean, if you are actually trying to invest wisely, everything will be positively, and you don't have to be concerned about that, but always try to invest wisely. Okay, that is the maximum yielding. If you are looking for long-term benefits, then actually you can split your if you have 2 crore rupees, split it as 1 crore in trading and 1 crore in what is that, long term. Okay, it's up to you. Investments are actually very much different, because here if you see Titigar Wagons is doing well. It will be, if you hold on for three or 4 more years, you can actually see the benefit. It can go up to any height. Titigar Wagons, Susilon, everything. I think these are one of the main aspects here. Yeah. Okay, so let us see how actually we can see okay, here I have listed all the symbols and the current prices. Okay, so it is actually 400%. This is given in percentage. Okay, the percentage 400% returns it is giving Titigar Wagon now at present, that is after 8 months, it is giving 400.4% returns. RVNL's Rail Vikas Nigam Limited, it is giving 375.9%, that is 376%. Suslon Energy is giving 2.205% returns. South Bank is giving 192% returns. Actually, this is between the lowest and highest prices. That is, if you have had invested intelligently or wisely, then it would have that is when the market is at the low point, and when the market is at the high point, you sold it out, you will get this much. That is what we have given here. That is NLC India 103%, IDFC First Bank 103%, Maharashtra Bank 91%, Idea 70%, Renuka Sugars 64%, Yes Bank 62%, ITC 61%, Hindustan Zinc 57%, Dalmia Bharat 51%, Imami 51%, Campus 45%, Ashoka 45%, PSP Projects 43%, Biocon 39%, Infi 37%, SAIL 31%, Reliance 29%, HDFC Bank 26%, Marico 24%, TCS 22%, Wipro 21%, Hindustan Lever 15%. Okay, we are not considering BTC at the moment. And again, there is another aspect also, that is, if you invested at a particular point of time, then what will be the benefits? Okay, if you had been benefited on the 2nd January, then actually Titigar 2nd January, and actually you sold it on last Friday. That means Titigar Wagon would be giving you only 191% returns. RBNL will be giving only 86% returns. Suslon Energy will be giving only 84% returns. Chinna Rubber will be giving only 65% returns. Paul Sivsar 57%. NLC India 47%. Maharashtra Bank 43%. As I told you, this is a review. That's why I had included both. LNDFH 36%. ITC 35%. Imami Limited 19%. Hindustan Zinc 15%. Ashoka 13%. PSP 12%. Marico 11%. South Bank 11%. TCS 8%. Wipro 6%. Dalmia Bharat 1%. Hindustan Lever 2%, 0.2%. IDFC Bank minus 0.8%. Reliance minus 1.4%. Biocon minus 1.7%. Idea minus 3.1%. SAIL minus 3.4%. Infi minus 4.8%. Yes Bank minus 21.47%. Renuka minus 22%. Campus minus 28%. So what I would like to mention is, if you actually want to invest, make money, make a portfolio for yourself. That is, mix some good shares or symbols together and buy from that, so that you will always get a good benefit from that. That is the best way. Here you can see we are expecting S Bank, Sri Lanka Sugars, Campus, everything Activewear, Campus Activewear, Reliance, everyone to do well, but actually turned out that it was giving a negative values. That is all were in the last sign. So it's always advised, break up and invest in some using some formula, you can just invest in some of the good. Almost I whatever I have given here are all having good basics. Okay, so let us see how the graph looks like. This is how the graph look like. The big ones you see here. This is uh, Titnagar and RVNL, two big ones. It actually, whatever you see down is actually negative. This is actually paired bar graphs. This is, if you invested wisely, you would get 400%. This is Titnagar wagons. Invested wisely, you would get this one. And if you actually invested in between periods, that is 2nd of January, and sold at 19th, then you would get this much. That is the yellow. Okay, that's how the graph is. This is actually for comparison only. I hope you all understand. Yeah, so this is actually a review to show you how well our stocks performed, our choice of stocks performed. Okay, thank you guys. Please keep commenting, sharing, liking. We will be bringing you more informative videos like this that can actually make you wealthy. Okay, if you I am actually dealing with HDFC securities, which is one of the best. If you want to invest, we will be giving the links and other things inside the comment this description itself. If you want to invest, you want to start investing, or you can click on the link. I have given my mail ID and phone number also. If you want, you can call me. Yeah, thank you.